Hi guys, as you may already know that iPhone users cannot restore WhatsApp chats from Google Drive to iPhone while moving from Android to iOS. So in this video I will show you an indirect way to restore WhatsApp chat history from Google Drive to iPhone. This works with iOS 14 too. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the WhatsApp on your Android device and restore chats from the Google Drive to your Android. If you no longer have your Android phone, you can borrow one from your friend or relative. Feel free to skip this step, if you already have WhatsApp on your Android and all the chats are visible to you. Now let's back up the WhatsApp chats to the local storage. Before backing up chats to local storage, please select Never under the Backup to Google Drive option, and then tap the Backup button. Now go to Settings Developer Options and enable the USB Debugging mode on your Android. If developer options are hidden on your Android, then you may go to Settings About Phone and tap on Build number 7 times. Finally, you can connect your Android device to the computer and launch Android WhatsApp to iOS Transfer app on your PC. All the information about this app is in the video description. It is available for Windows and Mac. The software will download an app called WA Sync on your Android. Follow on-screen instructions on your Android to install this app on your phone. Now the software will download an older version of WhatsApp Messenger on your phone. Before that, you will need to disconnect the current WhatsApp from the Google Drive by logging into your Google Drive account. For doing that, you need to visit drive.google.com and log in with the Google account you are currently using on your Android. In case WhatsApp Messenger has not been listed in the Manage Apps section of your Google Drive, you can skip this step. Now, press the OK on the software interface and the software will start downloading the older version of WhatsApp on your Android. In order to install this older WhatsApp on your phone, you need to first uninstall or disable the current WhatsApp Messenger from your Android. After uninstalling the current WhatsApp Messenger from your Android phone, go back to the software UI and press the OK button. Now launch the older version of WhatsApp on your Android device, verify your phone number and restore the chats from the local backup. Return to the software after restoring the chats and press the OK button. Now the software will start reading your WhatsApp chats. As you can see, the software loaded all the WhatsApp messages and media from my Android device. Now, select your Android device and click the Backup Messages button to back up all your WhatsApp chat history from the Google Drive to your computer. After backing up WhatsApp messages to your computer, you can remove the SIM from your Android and insert it on your iPhone. You can now close the software. Now, we'll download the WhatsApp Messenger on iPhone and verify the phone number. If you already have WhatsApp on iPhone with phone number verified, then you can skip this step. Now we will temporarily remove the passcode from the iPhone and also turn off the iCloud backup and find my iPhone. If we don't do it now, the software will remind it later. You can re-enable all these features after transferring all the WhatsApp chats from the Android to your iPhone. Now, let's connect the iPhone to the computer, launch the iTunes software and create a password encrypted backup by selecting the Encrypt Local Backup option. Please write down the password somewhere safe cause you will need it again. After encrypting the iTunes backup, launch the software on your computer again. We've already done with these settings, so let's just click the OK button. After the software recognizes your iPhone, right-click the Android WhatsApp backup we've made earlier and select Transfer Messages from Database to iPhone option. Again, we've already turned off the passcode and disabled the Find My iPhone, so just click the OK button. Now just sit back and the software will transfer all the WhatsApp chats from the backup to your iPhone. This method works with all the iPhones running iOS 8 or later, including the latest iOS 14. If you have done everything correctly, then you will see Restore in Progress message on your iPhone screen. Now just verify your phone number again on the iPhone and you are done. Please note that software won't remove the existing WhatsApp conversations from your iPhone. Now here are all the WhatsApp messages and media files that were on my Android device. Currently this is the only possible way to transfer WhatsApp chats from Google Drive or Android to iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments.